Many people in Kenya believe that wealth is only for people who were born in rich families, inherited land, or got lucky in business. That belief has stopped thousands of hardworking people from changing their financial future. The truth is that wealth can be built slowly from scratch by ordinary people who make smart decisions with the little money they have. Some of the wealthiest people today started with almost nothing. They sold small products, saved tiny amounts of money, worked extra hours, learned new skills, and stayed disciplined for many years. Wealth building is not magic. It is usually the result of consistency, patience, and smart habits. In many Kenyan homes today, life has become expensive. Food prices have gone up. Transport costs have increased. Rent is higher than before. Electricity and internet bills continue rising every year. Many people are struggling to survive from one salary to another. Others depend on casual jobs that are not reliable. Some businesses are growing slowly because customers also have less money to spend. Because of this, many Kenyans are now searching for ways to improve their financial lives and create long-term stability. The good news is that building wealth is still possible in Kenya, even if you start with very little money. You do not need millions of shillings to begin. You can start with discipline, knowledge, and a willingness to improve your life step by step. The journey may take years, but every smart financial decision you make today can improve your future. One of the first and most important ways to build wealth is learning how to save money consistently. Many people think saving is impossible because their income is too small. However, the problem is not always low income. Sometimes the problem is spending habits. A person earning 50,000 Kenyan shillings every month can still remain broke if they spend carelessly. At the same time, another person earning 20,000 Kenyan shillings can slowly build wealth through discipline and planning. Saving money is the foundation of financial growth. Without savings, it becomes difficult to invest, start a business, or handle emergencies. Many people in Kenya fall into debt because they have no emergency savings. A small medical problem, job loss, or family issue can destroy their finances completely. This is why saving is very important. One simple method is to save first before spending. Most people do the opposite. They spend first and try to save whatever remains. Unfortunately, very little remains at the end of the month. A better approach is to decide on a fixed amount to save immediately after receiving income. Even if you start with 100 Kenyan shillings per day, the money grows over time. Many successful people develop the habit of saving small amounts consistently for many years. The secret is not the amount alone. The secret is consistency. Saving 500 Kenyan shillings every day can become 15,000 Kenyan shillings in 1 month. In 1 year, that becomes 180,000 Kenyan shillings before interest. Such money can become investment capital, business capital, or emergency savings. Another important habit is budgeting. A budget helps you understand where your money goes every month. Many people are shocked when they realize how much money disappears through unnecessary spending. Frequent online shopping, expensive entertainment, impulse buying, and daily fast food can drain a lot of money. Budgeting helps control these habits. A good budget should include food, rent, transport, savings, investments, and emergency funds. It is also important to separate needs from wants. Needs are things like rent, food, medicine, and school fees. Wants include luxury purchases, unnecessary upgrades, and entertainment spending beyond your financial ability. Saving money becomes easier when you reduce lifestyle pressure. Many Kenyans spend money trying to impress others. Some people buy expensive phones using loans while they have no savings. Others spend heavily on parties, fashion, or unnecessary luxury items. Wealthy people often avoid showing off. Instead, they focus on growing their assets quietly. Another powerful way to build wealth in Kenya is investing. Saving alone is not enough because inflation slowly reduces the value of money. Investing allows your money to grow over time. Many people fear investing because they think it is only for rich people. That is not true anymore. Today, there are many investment options that allow ordinary Kenyans to start with small amounts. Money market funds have become very popular in Kenya because they are easy to join and usually offer better returns than normal bank savings accounts. Many money market funds allow people to begin with as little as 1,000 Kenyan shillings. These funds invest in low-risk financial products and generate interest daily. They are considered suitable for beginners who want safer investments. Treasury bills and treasury bonds are also popular investments in Kenya. These are government-backed investments offered through the Central Bank of Kenya. Treasury bills are usually short-term, while treasury bonds are long-term investments. Many people prefer them because they are considered safer than many private investments. SACCOs have also helped many Kenyans build wealth over the years. A SACCO encourages regular saving while also allowing members to access loans. Many people have used SACCO loans to buy land, build houses, start businesses, or educate their children. Some SACCOs also pay dividends to members every year. This creates another source of financial growth. Land investment remains one of the most common wealth-building strategies in Kenya. Many people buy plots in growing towns and hold them for several years. As population increases and development expands, land prices often rise. However, land investment requires careful research because scams are common. Before buying land, it is important to confirm ownership documents, location details, and legal approvals. Shares listed on the Nairobi Securities Exchange also provide opportunities for long-term wealth building. Some companies pay dividends to shareholders every year. Others grow in value over time. Investing in shares requires patience because prices can rise and fall. People who invest emotionally often lose money because they panic during market changes. Long-term thinking is important when investing in shares. Another major way to build wealth from scratch is creating multiple sources of income. Depending on only one salary can be risky. Job losses, business problems, or economic changes can affect income suddenly. This is why many financially successful people build several income streams. A side hustle can become a powerful source of extra income. In Kenya today, many people are making money through online work, content creation, small businesses, and freelance services. Technology has created opportunities that did not exist many years ago. Some young Kenyans are earning money through YouTube channels, blogging, TikTok videos, affiliate marketing, and social media management. Others provide graphic design, video editing, website creation, writing, or digital marketing services online. These opportunities require skills, patience, and consistency. Freelancing has become popular because people can work remotely for clients from different countries. A person in Nairobi, Kisumu, Eldoret, or Mombasa can now earn income from international clients using only a laptop and internet connection. Skills such as programming, writing, graphic design, and digital marketing are highly valuable in the online economy. Starting a small business is another powerful path toward wealth. Many successful Kenyan entrepreneurs began with very small businesses. Some started selling clothes, snacks, fruits, shoes, or household items. Others opened barber shops, salons, printing businesses, or small food kiosks. Business success usually does not happen overnight. Many businesses struggle in the beginning. Some fail completely. However, business owners who learn from mistakes and continue improving often grow slowly over time. Persistence is very important. One mistake many people make is spending all business profits immediately. A smarter approach is reinvesting profits back into the business. This can help increase stock, improve equipment, expand operations, or improve marketing. Reinvestment allows businesses to grow faster. For example, a person who starts a small snacks business with 5,000 Kenyan shillings may slowly grow by reinvesting profits every month. Over time, they may expand into catering services, restaurant operations, or wholesale supply. Small beginnings should never discourage anyone. Agribusiness is also creating wealth for many Kenyans. Farming is no longer viewed only as traditional village work. Modern farming has become a serious business opportunity. Poultry farming, dairy farming, fish farming, greenhouse farming, and vegetable farming are attracting young entrepreneurs. Demand for food continues growing. As the population increases, people will always need food, regardless of economic conditions. Farmers who use modern techniques, proper planning, and good market research can build profitable businesses. Another important factor in wealth building is education and skill development. Your skills can increase your earning ability significantly. Many people remain financially stuck because they stop learning after school. The modern economy changes quickly, and new opportunities require new skills. Learning digital skills can improve income opportunities greatly. Skills like coding, digital marketing, content creation, video editing, data analysis, and artificial intelligence are becoming more valuable every year. Companies are willing to pay well for people who can solve problems using these skills. Reading books, taking online courses, attending workshops, and watching educational content can improve financial knowledge. Many wealthy people spend time learning continuously. Financial education helps people avoid common money mistakes. Debt management is also very important when building wealth. Not all debt is bad, but unnecessary debt can destroy financial progress. Some people take loans to buy luxury items that lose value quickly. Others borrow money for entertainment or lifestyle pressure. Good debt is usually used to create future income or long-term value. For example, borrowing money to expand a profitable business may increase future earnings. Borrowing for education or productive investments may also improve financial growth. However, borrowing for unnecessary luxury spending often creates long-term financial stress. Another dangerous problem in Kenya is investment scams. Many people lose money because they chase unrealistic promises. Scammers often promise extremely high returns within a short time. Some promise to double money quickly. Others create fake online investment platforms. Before investing money anywhere, proper research is important. Genuine investments usually grow gradually over time. Wealth building is normally slow and steady. Anything promising instant riches should be approached carefully. Patience is one of the most important qualities in financial success. Many people quit too early because they expect fast results. Building wealth takes time. Some investments may need several years before producing major results. Businesses may also require years of hard work before becoming stable. Consistency matters more than speed. A person who saves and invests regularly for 10 years may achieve more financial stability than someone who looks for quick riches. Financial discipline creates long-term success. Networking also plays an important role in wealth building. Surrounding yourself with hardworking and ambitious people can improve your mindset and opportunities. Positive networks can provide business ideas, partnerships, mentorship, and support. Many successful people grew because of valuable relationships and connections. Health is another hidden factor in wealth creation. Poor health can destroy finances through medical bills and reduced productivity. Taking care of your body through proper eating, exercise, rest, and stress management is important. A healthy person can work better, think clearly, and remain productive for many years. Family planning is also connected to financial stability. Raising children requires money for food, education, healthcare, and housing. Responsible planning helps families avoid unnecessary financial pressure. One common mistake among young people is delaying financial planning. Many believe they will start saving and investing later in life. Unfortunately, time is one of the greatest advantages in wealth building. Starting early allows compound growth to work more effectively. Compound growth means your money begins generating returns, and those returns also start generating more returns over time. Even small investments can grow significantly after many years of consistency. Technology has also changed the way people manage money in Kenya. Mobile banking, digital payments, and online businesses have created more convenience and opportunities. Mobile money services have made saving, investing, and business transactions easier for millions of people. Despite economic challenges, Kenya still offers many opportunities for people willing to work hard and think long-term. Cities continue expanding. Technology continues growing. New businesses emerge every year. Digital opportunities continue increasing. Young entrepreneurs are creating new solutions and reaching global markets. The journey to financial freedom is different for every person. Some people may become wealthy through business. Others may grow through investments, farming, online work, or professional careers. There is no single formula that works for everyone. However, the principles remain similar. Save consistently, invest wisely, learn continuously, avoid unnecessary debt, build multiple income streams, stay patient and disciplined. Many people who appear wealthy today started from very humble backgrounds. Some sold vegetables by the roadside. Others worked small jobs for many years before building successful businesses. Their success did not happen instantly. It came from years of sacrifice, discipline, and smart financial choices. The most important step is starting. Waiting for perfect conditions can waste many years. A person earning 10,000 Kenyan shillings can still begin learning financial discipline today. A small business owner can still reinvest profits slowly. A student can still learn valuable skills online. Every small action matters. Financial success is not about luck alone. It is mostly about habits and decisions repeated over time. The choices you make with money today can shape your future for many years. A person who controls spending, saves regularly, learns new skills, and invests wisely increases their chances of building long-term wealth. No matter your current financial situation, improvement is possible. The journey may be difficult at times, but persistence can change your life completely. Many Kenyans have already proven that it is possible to rise from struggle to stability through discipline and smart planning. Building wealth from scratch requires courage, patience, and consistent effort. The process may take years, but every step forward brings you closer to financial freedom. Starting small is better than never starting at all.